Meron tayo dito ang bago 5 position switch rotary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 position switch na rotary. Stereo knob, potentiometer, stereo potentiometer B10K 6 pin, B10K 6 pin potentiometer, stereo left and right. Potentiometer B100K stereo type 6 pin, B100K potentiometer stereo type 6 pin. IF transformer 1 set, dikit-dikit, red, yellow, white, black. To oscillator IF intermediate frequency transformer, intermediate frequency transformer 455 kilohertz reference frequency. Uy, ito lang yung isa. Talagang wala yung isa. Oscillator siya. Wala yung isa, oh. Oscillator. Yung red. Tatlo. Antenna bar and coil. Ay, nakalas. Ayun, hiwalay. Ha? Hiwalay, oh. Coil? Ilan to? Tatlo. Antenna bar. Yun, oh. Antenna bar and coil. Kumpleto yung screw, condenser, variable tuning, capacitor, SXLE. Meron siyang ground. Ayan, oh. 4 na pin. Tuning, capacitor. Ayun, tuning capacitor. Mas maliit, 4 din ang coil. Oh. Yung isa walang ground. Ito may ground dito. LED backlight 2 watts 3 volts aluminum. May heatsink, oh. Holder, antenna holder dito. Uy, sikip yun. Antenna holder ng radio. Battery clip 9 volts. Battery clip 9 volts. So meron tayong potentiometer, 5 position switch, intermediate frequency transformer, antenna coil and bar, antenna holder ng AM radio, tuning capacitor at backlight ng LED, TV, battery clip.